Matiang'i ngochage.
Matiang'i
Is Matiang'i coming?
Yes, Matiang'i is the next president of the Republic of Kenya. Matiang'i kero monto Kenya. Namanya tena ki kero monto including yourself. No maete o monto ranyare go tuo maruta murusio. No monto korokuna ki Fred Matiang'i. Fred Matiang'i is a performer. Mtu aroche gasi akorete when he was in the Ministry of Information. Ekerarenge Ministry of Education. Ekerarenge Ministry of Interior. Na endo wente komanya when Uhuru was the president second term, umonto orenge bune deputy president orego kolega asikenye ngima every ministry Fred Matiang'i. And that is why Kenyans are saying Fred Matiang'i ache kokonye nsei. Onongo chanago kumya inkiotari go supporter Matiang'i asenge ncho yake.
Ya ngo support.
Abantu bakuru kwa bayikoyo. Kenyambi bamwire ngo support bare. Na inuma ete bari ase bamwire bakobeke kura. Oine ro monto go chikoira. Bono batigani na Naruto. Boni ige bare no monto korokuna ki Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Doctor. Umumuroso omete na ndo mumuro moremu. Obwato rato gori risari gere ruta maiso imamu gori naki nkaiti bese cyeto cyashakire nkaiti bese cyabari mukire inkyo tari komentera abakenye meshahara kibese mukunya kugacha mwati kugorera abantu uyu nere tutagitache abe president ya Kenya.
This one name Matiang'i abantu bata abanda bata anyway bagota romuoba but isn't timing key because ndiya kocha when is the right time kocha iko kocha kera bantu bangire mikakati ba spendiri babo Kalonzo ko moronchi kera kera hituko erachi chechi gwichinchiro chi atemire gendeke miaka ne miaka basinyiro erega kocha iga tanya kotuna nono bonsie ta abalende bantu baligero limbachi kondamba eko era mbaiko taka koigo tanya kotenena tanya koino ekura na egwiganga bono na
tari koewa ege tuge ke tokolia Matiang'i gakoewa asingincho ya his performance history his track record na ende Matiang'i genteka gukora is purely strategic ase egendo gekolo laws of power egendo ngereke koruna too much circulation spoils the price oboto bwate
48 laws of power
ile tamaa tuko naye ya kuvuruta ya Matiang'i hiyo ndio imefanya aba Kenya bonsi pibaligretina indi Matiang'i yo agocha Matiang'i yo bono ni ngoyo na kimonto itakario mokongu okogosa Ruto paka Ruto atete kumubwata muntu utakario mokongu paka Ruto akobeka akunya korosi committee ebina barone bakumubwata. But I want to tell you Matiang'i na Kenya Ruto takumubwata for more than 1 hour igako enda record statement na ndairane Kenya sheria nero
moko mwadu baisira ati ko boba
umuntu koro Matiang'i tari muoba igaro umuntu gwata masikani asago kolega si World Bank na bwate contract itu amubendere
contract yera na ko buense
na he has terminated na kiki terminated this contract. He is now coming back to come and serve this country. Ngochare wiki koseiwe gocha kwansara akora introduction yege ntoke kwe team ya
ara umera kotote ngochare
tuone ko minche ngogote
ona egwante
minche na gote ngochare wiki latest early next week Easter no are either Easter or immediately after Easter ache au merechi team chibisha kumbara nikome aya obnobo limutaraika igoro no are nge launch yege ta kiamata karwa in Washington igo taraika in Atlanta igo taraika Kenya abago kwana igo mbali batomire ne state kotema konya ko oro kibina Matiang'i pengine te nigabwa togo. But I'm telling you Matiang'i is coming and he is going to fix this country. This country needs a Mr. Fix It. And that person is Fred Matiang'i.
In the event that he does not show up completely, abantu buna inuko nyomoko mwakere kokoiga mwa musupportili nechinguru chena resources chenu na imora bisembe tukose
ntokwe bisa senyencho that is a cause
because ya haba sokia na I will not wish for that to happen.
Again tongo saba Fred Matiang'i we've spoken. He has said he's coming for this seat tago to sokia na ende gentonda etengoteli Matiang'i ngochare asengencho egenteke squeeze Kenya no ligereri wetangule garo mo speaker with 4 MPs only umuntu kuruku speaker ya Senate igare no muchumbo ya mose bono Matiang'i tigacha bwaterane na bande acha irobo president gose baikaranse baigwane ayego ko irobo president ayego prime minister ayego speaker tonyare gorento gonchorerie nsei babwaterane rigiji Mondo kuruku Kalonzo, babo wa Malwa, babo Natembea, abantu kuru Coast Province, from across, they are ready. These people are ready. They are ready to work with him.
Can Kalonzo shelve ambitions? Chair is the most senior most become.
It is not about seniority. It is about Ruto Tabeti president quite young, even Uhuru Kenyatta. Raila is older than them.
Experience in terms of experience.
Now Matiang'i is purely experienced. Na Kortegasi for the past 10 years.
Anyway, into a performance here project chair. I'm sorry to ask you this. There is a guy who is and I'm sorry I'm asking you about him because one of there is a guy who Kitutu North Rogoro. Lakini rende ebitina abwate vinge nkorra go chapa ndawata go cha Kitutu South yes kibagendi. Omonto yonki moko buna ege ko era bantu ngota barne nkondiko na era konya ko minyoka inki moko buna no monto.